Jinan Ludiao CNC Equipment Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise integrating R&D, production, sales, and after-sales service. After 12 years of continuous development, it has obtained National High-Tech Enterprise certification and has 16 product design application patents and intellectual property rights management system certification. CE certification. The company has a complete sales team, technical research and development team, after-sales service team. The company annual production and sales of more than 1,500 sets of various equipment to meet the needs of different industries. The company's main products are various types of CNC router, CNC cutting machines, metal fiber cutting machines and other CNC equipment, CNC rotary sewing and cutting machines, automatic loading and unloading production lines, 3D scanners, vacuum press machine, vacuum thermoforming machine, and other equipment. We can develop and customize very special shaped equipment for customers, can meet the needs of different customers. The company's products are widely used in furniture industries such as panel furniture, cabinet doors, advertising industry, stone carving processing industry, mold manufacturing industry, various stainless steel, carbon steel cutting and processing industries. The company has independent import and export rights, and its products are exported to Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and the United States, etc. It has won unanimous praise from customers for its high-quality product quality and excellent after-sales service. Welcome new and old customers to the factory field trips.